Hi guys, it's Stacy, and I'm back with the Simon Says Stamp Black Friday box. They're Crafty Parcel for Black Friday. This box, I believe, was $59.99 plus tax and shipping. It worked out to be somewhere around $73. It's my first time purchasing it, and I believe they're sold out, but I'm sharing it because I know every year I watch the unboxings of these, and this year I was able to get one. And I really enjoy seeing it, and I thought for anybody who's interested in purchasing one in the future, they might like to see what's in here. So I'm going to open it real quick. While I'm opening it, there were 2 people that received their box today and posted videos, and almost 90% of the items in it were exactly the same. So if you purchased one, and I'll let you know if most of the items were the same as the other 2, you may not want to watch this until afterwards to see if they matched. Because now I wanted it to be a surprise, and I wanted it to be a surprise on camera, but I have a feeling that what's in my box is, I'm telling you, almost 90% of each, there, and that's only 2 boxes, was the same. So, let's see. Hopefully I'm on camera. So, there's the coupon code for anybody who wants it. Let's see. Wait, it's on the side, sorry. $5 off your next purchase. Use code FVE4Y, and it's valid through 12/31 at 11:59 p.m. Oh, no, okay. I can already see things that are different in my box, so that's good. Yay. Some things I get to see the same. So the other boxes I saw did have Gina K in them, but it wasn't the stamp set, and honestly, I like this one better. This is beautiful. Yay. This is from their Stamptember, their collaboration. Now, I know they said that you were guaranteed to get one Stamptember item in there. And it is called Festive Flower. Pretty. This is different too. Oh, I'm excited because this is like, some of this is a surprise. Darling Baby. Unless my daughter's going to have more babies soon, I'm not going to have any of these, but this is great. Okay, so Crackling Campfire. Oh, this is actually Distress ink. I think it was Distress Oxide in the other ones, and they both had the same color. So I won't say in case anybody else got a box. But I don't have this one in, I believe, in Mini either. And I have it in Oxide, but not in Distress ink. So awesome. Okay. Yes, these were in the other boxes too. So, Velvet Orchid, Simon Says Stamp. I believe this is their old ink. They have the new ones, but I don't care. Ink is ink, and I knew this was good ink too. This one is Lemon Chiffon. Yay! Deep Purple. And their hybrid ink, Sea Breeze, and it has apricot, stone, mint candy, and steel blue. Awesome! Enamel dots. Oh, these are beautiful. They're called Winter Berries. Ooh! Oh, great! That's going to go great with this stencil. Nice! So we've got this stencil, this one. Maybe I need to get a piece of paper. This one. So it looks like you can build a wreath with it, with berries. Beautiful. This one with Christmas trees, and looks like snowflakes and holly and candy canes and presents. Oh, beautiful. Awesome. I'm excited. And here's a snowflake die, which has multiple, and it looks like they're attached, but I bet you could unattach them if you wanted to. This is awesome. And then here's the Tim Holtz. This is quote bands, and I'll just hold that there if you want to see what they say. So So I can say everything up until this point is probably something I would use. I love Tim Holtz products, but I'm not sure if I would use this because I make cards, and these are pretty hefty. But I bet I can find a use for them. Small square lid, and I saw a bunch of people had gotten these in their Huntington box, the charity box, and it's just the lid. And I know that they were talking about that it works with different bases, but I'm wondering if you can take this and use this as the lid and the bottom. If you just, you know, you can squeeze it on top. A lot of box die sets, the lid and the bottom aren't different sizes. You cut it twice and you make the lid and the bottom. So I'm sure you can still use this. And this is awesome. Santa's Helpers. And I'm going to try not to tell you what was in the other ones, but there are some duplicates of what I saw in other boxes, but I'm excited that quite a bit was not. Santa's Helpers. I already said that, didn't I? Yay! I guess I can move that, huh? This one is called Thoughtful Flowers. In case you want to pause and read the sentiments. And then Gina K stamp set. This is Some Bunny. From Clearly Besotted. Oh, these have the little origamis. That's cute. Paper Play. There's a die. Big day. Today is a big day. And what's neat about Simon Says stamp dies is the size that is on the envelope is the size of the actual die. Awesome. Hello, hello. These have been around for a while. This one's 2017. This one's 2021. The Clearly Besotted is 2017. Here is Flowerful Medallion. I wonder if you could piece that and they fit together and interlock like hexagons do. Put on a card. Don't know. It's pretty though. Pinkfresh Studio. Straight stripes, and it looks like the stripes are removable, so that's nice. You can do gingham. You could probably even make a plaid out of it. Rainbow. Oh, there you go, a rainbow. Pop out straight stripe stamp. This is pretty. I love florals. Xanthemum. I didn't say that right, but this is beautiful. This one is Soaring Birthday. Yay, I'm so excited. Some of the stuff was duplicates, and I will try not to tell you. I did tell you a couple, but so if you get the box. But I would say that as far as the stamp sets, some of them are different in this one than the others, but about the same amount of 6x8 stamp sets versus the other size, but they are varying. Some stickers. I don't really use stickers, but that's okay. These are Kelly Perky label stickers. Aw, little gnomies. This is one of those ones where you pop out and layer it. That'd be cute to make a tag out of. I don't know if I'd put it on a card. I color. Aw. And some Christmas stamps. It doesn't say what they are, but... And I believe this has been in... Oops, there's something else in there. Let me pull that out. You guys probably all saw that on camera, but I didn't. These pencil bags have been in, I believe, like the last 3 years. You know, one of the things I was hoping to get in this box that I didn't get was their Positively stamp tool. They're the silicone paw. But that's okay. And some Distress Mica mica stain. This is all the rave right now, and this one's in the color Tree Lot. So 3 sheets of stickers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6x8 stamp sets, 1 background set stamp. I'm not sure. I think that's a 6x8 too, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 1 4x6 stamp set, 1, 2, 3, 4 dies, no, 5 dies. I believe these are 2x4, 1 2x4 stamp set. There's the 2 stencils. I love stencils. And 3 full ink pads, 4 mini cubes, 1 distress ink, and some enamel dots, and some Tim Holtz, I believe it's like his ideology, quote bands. I would buy the box again, for sure. I seen a few years back, which I was hesitant. I could have bought one last year, but I was hesitant because I'd seen, I believe the year before, they had dies that coordinated with stamp sets that they didn't match up with, and that wouldn't, I mean, if part of your box is that, even though it's over the value, part of it is, you know, it's a gamble, it's a mystery, but I am ecstatic, and I'm ecstatic because a lot of this is along the same lines of what the other 2 people received, but there is a difference. So it was nice to see that, because there wasn't in their 2 boxes. So I'm really excited that mine was different, and it was a surprise, because I was like, I shouldn't have watched it. Should have waited and been surprised on my own, because I really wanted to be surprised. So I don't believe they're still available. I hope you enjoyed this. If you think it was worth it, leave in the comments. If you're not, let me know too. You all, thanks for watching, and have a good day.